डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਫੇਰ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਕੰਪਲੈਕਸ ਨੰਬਰ ਕੀ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਰੀਕੈਪ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ, ਔਰ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸਿਲੇਬਸ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਲੈਟਸ ਸੀ ਵਾਟ ਇਜ਼ ਕੰਪਲੈਕਸ ਨੰਬਰ। Recap of complex number. Here we see modulus of complex number, argument of complex number, and then geometrical representation of complex number. Okay, how we represent geometrically a complex number. Let's see. First one is, you can express a complex number in the form of z is equal to r into cos theta plus iota sin theta. So how we represent complex number in the form of r cos theta plus iota r sin theta. So let's see what is complex number. Complex number is z is equal to x plus iota y, and the value of r is modulus of the complex number and its distance from the origin, and it is distance from the origin 0 0. The argument is the angle the complex number makes with the positive axis, where minus pi is less than theta is less than equal to pi. So to show this visually, let's see, this is x axis, this is y axis. X means real value and y means imaginary value. So here z is x comma y, and if we represent this as r, so drawing perpendicular from z, we got x and y, and this is theta. So this becomes r is the modulus of z, its absolute value. This can be calculated using Pythagoras theorem, and Pythagoras theorem is r is equal to z modulus. Z modulus is z modulus is x square root x square plus y square, root x square plus y square. And then next one is by trigonometrical formula, this x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Why x is equal to r cos theta? Because x by r is equal to cos theta. Base over hypotenuse is r cos theta. So x is equal to r cos theta. Similarly, y over r is equal to sin theta. So y becomes r sin theta. And then z is equal to x plus iota y. We know that z is equal to x plus iota y. So we substitute the value. Replace the value. Which value? This value. X is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. When we replace, z is equal to r cos theta plus iota r sin theta, and this can be written as z is equal to r common, this is cos theta plus iota sin theta. So this is our first article where a complex number z is equal to x plus iota y can be represented by z is equal to r cos theta plus iota sin theta. So now come to the, this is z is equal to r into cos theta plus iota sin theta. So student, just see the slide very carefully. Here we write the formulas which are we developing here one by one. So next is, we have expressed the following complex number. This is a numerical question in modulus and argument form. So z is equal to minus t plus iota, minus t root and root minus t plus iota. So to do this, you need to find both the argument and the modulus of the complex number. Start by sketching of the argument plane, and how we argument plane can be sketched. Just see. Here this is x axis, this is y axis. Pay attention to the direction. Direction is now x is negative direction, so we do this side, and this is the minus root 3, and then y is positive side, so this side y is positive, so we take this as 1, so minus 3 and 1, and we draw this as r, and when we are, this is theta. And now come to the on sketch, you can then find the modulus and argument of using Pythagoras and trigonometry. So what is r? R is equal to, this is x square plus y square. R is equal to x square plus y square. So r becomes, yes, calculate, r becomes 3 under 3 square, that is 3 plus 1 square. So we got 4, and 4 square root of 4 is equal to 2. And similarly tan theta is equal to perpendicular over base. Perpendicular over base means 1 by root 3. So this is 1 by root 3. Taking inverse, then we got theta is equal to pi by 6. But student, be very careful, we have minus root 3. So how we tackle with negative root, negative of x? Remember that argument measure from the positive x-axis, and here from positive x-axis, that means the total angle is pi and this angle is subtracted. So this angle is subtracted, this is argument. So here we do subtract from pi, argument of z is equal to pi minus pi by 6, that is 5 pi by 6. So this complex number can be, now this complex number can be written in the form of r cos theta and r sin theta. So how we do? Just see. Z is equal to r cos theta plus eta sin theta. What is theta? Theta is equal to 5 pi by 6, and r is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. Replace theta and r, and we got z is equal to 2 into cos 5 by 6 plus eta sin 5 by 6. And these are, remember, it is not unique. Why not unique? We could add 2 pi to them and the result would be the same, because 2 pi is the radian of the complete term. So this is our first question. Now come to the another question. Z is equal to 1 minus eta. First of all, we see the figure, how we trace the figure geometrically. So geometrically, this x is positive now and y is negative. So pay the attention of the direction. X is positive, so we go positive, and y is negative, so we go negative, and this is r. And what is this modulus of this complex number? Modulus of this complex number is, yes, modulus of this complex number is r. R is equal to square root of 1 square plus 1 square. So this means r is equal to, yes, root 2. And what is theta? Theta means perpendicular over base. Perpendicular is 1 and base is also 1. So tan theta is equal to 1. Theta is equal to pi by 4. And theta pi by 4, but this direction is, we take this direction, positive direction, and this direction is negative direction. So argument is equal to minus pi by 4. So after substituting all these values, z is equal to r into cos theta plus eta sin theta, where r is equal to root 2 and theta is equal to minus pi by 4. So I got z is equal to root 2 cos minus pi by 4 plus eta sin minus pi by 4, and this is r is equal to this. Now come to the next. If z is equal to x plus eta y, then complex number can also be written in the form of z is equal to r e raised to e power eta theta. So this complex number is also written in the form of r e raised to e power eta theta. So how we do this? Z is equal to 2 minus 3 eta. Again, from the geometry of this number, this is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. So we see what is the modulus. Modulus of this complex number is equal to 2 square plus 3 square, and we go 4 plus 9, that is 13. And similarly, tan theta is equal to perpendicular over base. So tan theta is equal to this. theta is equal to this, and substituting all these values here. So, z is equal to r. What is r? R is equal to root 30 e raised to the power eta into theta. Theta is equal to minus 9.8. So, we can represent this complex number in the form of r into cos theta plus eta sin theta, and z is equal to r e raised to the power eta theta. So, this lecture is developed to see that how we write complex number in different forms. So, first form is z is equal to r into cos theta plus eta sin theta, and second is z is equal to r into e raised to the power eta theta. So, next is we want to see, next we have another Crowley, that is equal to cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Actually, we all know that cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So, just see, this is a complex number cos theta, and its graph is this. We have similarly we have sin theta, this is minus and this is the plus theta. So, you can see that cos minus theta is equal to whatever the cos theta. If theta is here and minus theta is here, then it remains same because the symmetry of this graph. And similarly, what is sin minus theta? Just see sin minus theta. So, sin minus theta is equal to, yes, sin minus theta is equal to, yes, minus sin theta. This is theta. So, this side this is sin theta and this side is minus theta. So, graph this side it's going upward and this side the graph going downward. So, you can see that sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Now, come to the this part, the last question. We see that cos minus theta is equal to cos theta and sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So, z is equal to express the following in this form. So, now we want to show that we want to show this number can be represent in this form, as this form च लिखना चाहते हैं. Now, we want to write in this form, इस form च लिखना चाहते हैं. So, how we write? Here r is equal to, yes, r is equal to root 2 and theta is equal to, yes, pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4. So, if r is equal to 2 and theta is equal to pi by 4, how we write? Theta is equal to pi by 10, sorry, and then z is equal to r e raised to the power eta theta, and r e raised to the power eta theta is equal to, yes, r means root 2 and theta means pi by 10. So, this means z is equal to root 2 e raised to the power pi by 10 eta. But student, this is not true in every case. Let us see another question. And now we want to write this in the form of r e raised to the power eta theta. Clearly, r is 5, but theta is here not clear. So, first of all, we change this question in this way, this theta. We need to adjust this first, and the sign is in the center is negative. We need it to be positive for the rule to work, and to positive means we change cos minus theta, that means cos theta, plus and sin minus theta, that is minus sin theta. So, we adjust this first and then using these two formulas, and then we see that this becomes r is equal to 5 and theta becomes, yes, argument becomes minus pi by 8. So, this can be written as, yes, z is equal to r e raised to the power eta theta, which is equal to 5 e raised to the power minus pi by 8 eta. So, let us see another one. Here we have this question and we want to replace this question into r cos theta plus eta r sin theta or x plus eta y, where x is real and y is real. So, now we have in reverse of the question. Now, we have z is equal to root 2 e raised to the power 3 pi by 4 eta, and we want to convert this into x plus eta y. So, how we convert this? So r is root 2 and theta is equal to, yes, theta is equal to, argument is equal to 3 pi by 4, and this can be replaced, z is equal to r cos theta plus eta sin theta. So r is root 2 and theta is 3 pi by 4 plus eta sin 3 pi by 4, and 3 pi by 4 can be further evaluate. So cos pi minus pi by 4, that is minus pi by 4, that is equal to 1 by root 2, and this is root 2 into 1 by root 2, that is minus 1. Similarly, pi minus pi by 4, this is pi minus pi by 4 second quadrant, and sign is positive. So this is pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 1 by root 2, and root 2 cancel. So we got this. So this is how we represent the complex number. So similarly, another question, z is equal to 2 e raised to the power 23 pi by 5 into eta. So r is equal to 2, but theta is equal to 23 by 5 pi, and then going to further, we replace it by pi minus 2 pi minus 23 pi by this, and then we have just see the value of theta is not in the range. So we can keep subtracting 2 pi until a stage 2 pi is जो subtract करता. So first 2 pi subtract, second 2 pi subtract, we got 3 pi by 4. Now 3 pi by 5. So that is equal to r is 2, and cos theta is equal to 3 pi by 5, and when we simplify it 3 pi by 5, and we got the answer. So this is all about the lecture of this first chapter, complex number. So next time we will start the syllabus part of complex number. Thank you.